Welcome back to Friday's Fitness Tip. Today I want to talk to you guys about improving your squat. One of the most common deviations that we see when someone's squatting is the inability for them to open up their hips. And normally you see a discrepancy on one side more than the other. Here's bad. Good. Here's bad on that side. I want to give credit to the place where I first saw this, our friends over at Squat University. I saw teach this movement. I've applied it to friends and clients of mine, and it's done wonders for them. It's called the assisted airplane. What I want to do is I want to grab this bar. I want to kick my leg all the way out straight, and then I'm trying to rotate and open the hips up. I want to find that end range of motion and intensify that. You'll feel the glutes light up. I want to hold that position for about 5 seconds. Repeat, open back up, intensify, come back. I want to do that about 5 times on each side and then go back into my squat. Pay attention to what your squat looks like before you do it, and then after, you should see that you can open up your hips and get deeper into your squat.